Good morning, students. Welcome to Science Virtual Classes. Yesterday we have explained the all details of this chapter, Importance of Water, chapter 7. And today we also continue this chapter, same chapter, Importance of Water. But today we have discussed the back exercise and question answer of this chapter. Yes, I know it is very small chapter and give the some previous knowledge to your related to water. Now let's start. We have discussed the first of all back exercise. First one is fill in the blanks. First fill up. Water helps in dash of food in animals. Answer is digestion. Second one, animals living in water are called, yes, right, aquatic animals. But students, you have always remember, here I am asking the animals. So you have write the aquatic animals. If I am asking here plants living in water, then you write the answer in aquatic plants. Animals, third one is animals which can live both in water and on land are called amphibious animals. Good. Fourth one, water trapped between underground rocks is called ground water. Dash and dash are aquatic plants, lotus and water lily. You have right any two. Now next one is true and false. There are the some statements which have right and some have wrong. First one, water is required for germination of seed. Yes, true. It is true. Second one, groundwater can be drawn up by a hand pump. Yes, it is also right. By a hand pump we can draw the groundwater. This one is also true. Next, about 50% of water is present in sea and ocean. No. How many percent of water? Yes, 97% of water present in sea and ocean. So, third one statement is false. Octopus is an amphibious animal? No. Octopus is a aquatic animal. So, it is also false. River water is purified for drinking purpose? Yes, it is true. Next one, tick the correct option. About 97% of water present in, there are the four options: sea and ocean, lakes, ponds and glaciers. Answer is A, sea and oceans. Second one, plants absorb water from the soil with the help of, again four options: stem, leaves, branches, roots. Yes, plant absorb water by roots. D is right answer. A rehat is used for supplying water through taps, purifying river water, drawing out groundwater for irrigation and absorbing water from the soil. Now answer is C. Rehat or water wheel that is used to draw out the groundwater for irrigation. Now fourth one, an example of an amphibious animals. Amphibious means live in the both land as well as in water. Options are fish, frog, hydrilla, duckweed. Now answer is frog, because frog is live on both water as well as, yes, land. Now these are the back exercise. Here the D part question answer. First question is, now my dear students, you have writing this question answer. You have first of all to write the today date and chapter name, importance of water, and you have write the question from black pen and answer is blue gel pen. Now first question is, name any two water bodies that exist on the surface of earth. Answer is river, pond, lake and stream. Next question, what are animals living in water known as? Write name of the two such animals. It is the one word answer. Means animals living in water known as aquatic animals, and you have write the animals name. fish, octopus, whale, dolphin. These are the aquatic animals. What are amphibious animals? Animals which can live both in water and on land are called amphibious animals. Here I am not asking the example, but you have write also example here: frog, turtle, salamander. These are the examples of the amphibious animals. Next question. Write name of the 4 aquatic plants. 4 aquatic plants: lotus, water lily, hydrilla, duckweed. These are the some aquatic plants, means these plants grow in water. Next one. How do plant absorb water from the soil? Plant absorb water from the soil with the help of their roots. All these are the one marks question, one word question answer. Now question number 6. State common method of drawing the groundwater. Yes, we have learned so many methods: hand pump, tube well, step well, electric hand pump. These are the some common methods to draw out the ground water. These are the D part question answer. Now next is E part question answer. Beside its domestic use, state other uses of water. Means we have used water in domestic form, means household. Another household, there is the another way of using the water, asking from this question. First one, irrigating the field. Second one, generating electricity. And third one, transportation of man and material. Now next question. How does water help in excretion of the waste material from the animal bodies? Yes, waste substance get dissolved in water and are excreted in the form of urine and sweat. List any 3 ways in which water is important for plants. Here asking the 3, but we can write here 4 ways. First one, plant need water for preparing their food. Plant need water for germination of seed. Plant need water for their proper growth, and plant need water to transport the nutrients to various parts. These are the 4 points. Water is important for plants. Now question number 4. How can groundwater be drawn out through tube well? Groundwater can be drawn out by inserting a long pipe deep into the ground where it dips below the groundwater level. Second one, this groundwater can be drawn by using the hand pump or an electric pump. Now question number 5. What is a step well? Step well, according to name, there are the step in all sides. So step well is a well having steps on all sides. This enable people to go down and fetch water. This is step well. Now our last question. How is water supply in cities? Water is supplied in cities through the well-planned water supply system by the network of pump and pipes. So my dear students, our chapter 7 importance of water is finished, and tomorrow we will meet again a new chapter. Thank you so much and take care.